Before we move on to the concluding item of today's Bhagavad Gita recital, here are the credits for this evening's program. Compilation, music and choreography, Padma Vibhushan Dr. Padma Subrahmanyam. On the Natwangam and vocal, Dr. Gayatri Kannan. On the vocal, Kumari Radhika Muthukrishnan. On the Mridangam, Shri Nagai P. Shriram. On the flute, Shri B. Gokula Krishnan. And on the Veena, Shuddha Maddalam and Compere, this is Kannan Balakrishnan. The backstage assistant, Srimati Dakshayani Ramachandran, and coordination liaison for sound system and lighting and stage decor, Shri K. Shamakrishnan. We would like to place on record our sincere appreciation to the technicians of this beautiful Mahati Auditorium for their excellent cooperation in regard to this program. Scene 4, the Lord's assurance and cosmic revelation. Arjuna says that his mind is uncontrollable like the wind, and Krishna assures him that it would be possible to control it through practice and conviction. Arjuna asked Krishna a pertinent question. In spite of having faith and practice in yoga, if there is a failure in its attainments due to slips in controlling the mind, what would be the consequence and what would be his fate? Krishna assures him that none of his devotees would be left in lurch. Even if he is the worst sinner, he is redeemed like a good man, for he would have started in the right path. Women, Vaishyas, Shudras, and even those born of sin will attain mukti if they worship him. After listening to his assurance, Arjuna pleads with Krishna to reveal his cosmic form. When Krishna graciously obliges him, Arjuna not only has a vision of the whole cosmos, but also witnesses the terrible sight of the host of warriors along with Bhishma, Drona and Karna gushing into the terrible form of the Lord. Some of their heads are seen getting powdered by being caught inside his terrible teeth. Unable to bear this awesome sight, Arjuna pleads with the Lord to reveal his name and purpose. The Lord replies that he is Kala or time who has come to consume the world. He says that he has already killed those soldiers and they would have been killed even without the presence of Arjuna. The Lord says to Arjuna, "You are just an instrument in my hands. Rise up, use your bow, take the credit of killing your enemies and enjoy this kingdom." Arjuna recognizes all the forces of nature in the cosmic form of the Lord Almighty. He says, "1,000 prostrations to you, who is the Lord of wind, death and fire. You are the moon, the Lord of mankind, the very originator of life." At the end, Arjuna touchingly pleads with the Lord to pardon him for all the insults that he had caused to the Lord by taking him to be a friend. He says, "I called out your name as Krishna, Yadava and friend, both inadvertently and knowingly, alone and in the presence of everybody. I misbehaved with you without realizing your glory. May I, be pardoned for all the mistakes. The program concludes with Arjuna fighting the battle with divine blessings. Dear Rasikas, may we all jointly pray to that Supreme Bhagavan Krishna and of course Lord Venkateshwara and Padmavati Tayar, under whose shade we are conducting this event, to bless humanity, all of us and our respective families, with a happy, healthy, harmonious, peaceful, prosperous, and a purposeful life this year and thereafter. Thank you very much.